For generations, they have been the keepers of our stories, the guardians of the land. They are the indigenous peoples of the Philippines, and their heritage is a treasure beyond measure. Their artistry is unparalleled, their traditions deeply rooted in the heart of our nation. From the vibrant textiles to the soulful music, their culture is a testament to resilience and creativity. Let's celebrate their rich heritage, support their communities, and ensure that their voices are heard. Their stories are our stories, and their future is our future.